I was attracted to the black and white. And then right next to it is kitty heaven. Oh my God. Look at this. They're like sleeping like kings and queens. This is awesome. Amazing, beautiful. Hi, kitties. They're actually using their little things. It's just amazing. And here's one outside. Hi. I love this place. This is awesome. Okay. What a nice surprise. Onwards to the center of Sofia.
3 days goes pretty quick. We got rested up. Little visit to the town. Beautiful view of the mountain this morning. There's the snow on the top. We're on our way to the metro. Go straight to the new airport. Then take a shuttle over to the old airport. But we'll get to see what it's like. We decided we would definitely come back here in maybe summertime, or when we can experience some of the nature. Beautiful setting.
Here we are, the metro. We're at Druzhba station, which means friend. Tomorrow we'll go to the airport, and today we're going in the direction of Bulgaria, downtown. Very good.
We were at Druzhba station in Sofia, and we got metro card for the day.
Big pass.
It's good for 24 hours, and we'll see if it works tomorrow morning to get to the airport. Okay, it's about 9 a.m. We're headed downtown. Olga's checked out a few things, and it's going to be an adventure. I packed sandwiches, and okay, here we go.
Here we go. Hey.
We came out of the metro station, and we're in close to the downtown area. Sun's come out. And a couple old buddies. The day pass covered tram, metro, and bus. Olga started marching. And before I knew it, she was 20 meters ahead of me. I was looking around at the sights to the right and to the left. We were on a nice walking path and a bike path on one side. And to the right, behind that greenery, there was a rushing stream. And it was only about 2 meters wide, but the channel was big enough for a river. There's always a coffee shop and some cool restaurants and shops to see. Okay, we're off the bike trail and we're heading into a neighborhood. Olga's looking for the domed church. Lots of old trees just budding out. Pretty city.
Well, we're going north from the mountain into the main city. There's our first little store, LIDL. You see them all over Europe. Great bargains, good. And we also seeing local things, carved bowls, a nut store. We can.
This is a local favorite, not sure what they call it, but it's made with sweet red peppers, tomatoes, and onions. Yum.
Probably spectacular in the bright sunlight. A little subdued today, end of winter. I think we're a couple weeks before Easter, but they're already starting to gear up. We saw flowers and pastel colors in the art market. That looks like a major building. Something of the people. Maybe it's the Congress. So we think that is like the Senate, and that one's like the Congress. And this one over here, it says Republika Bulgaria President. And it's got the guards standing at attention. I've lost Olga. She's at the Archaeological Museum. Let's see what's next. Headless Hero. That's in Latin script. We've seen a couple in Greek and Cyrillic. Well, we're down from a rotunda, and I read the word Georgi. Millennial Georgi. Moli Gora Zanog. I don't see any dates, but this is an older place in the heart of the city. A couple blocks from here was an archaeological dig. And there's a dome up top. An old well, some columns. There's the dome. The Greek Orthodox, maybe. Looked like a chapel inside. I didn't see any intricate carvings, but I saw some writing on a stone. Antiquity Continuing on from the government buildings. The Grand Hotel. I think maybe they made a movie or a show about this one, the Grand Hotel. The tulips are blooming. It's opened up, kind of a big playa. There's a farm, maybe an artisan's market that way. We'll check it out. Oh, snow on the mountain. Just down the way there were remnants of Turkish barracks, so probably the Ottomans were here. The dome buildings continue. Oh, looks like setting up for a market. Saints. Wow. There's a golden dome over here behind the tree. It's really great when the sun comes out. Three domes with crosses, and an even bigger dome on the back side. Cross on top. I think they're Eastern Orthodox here, which means they didn't have the Roman Pope. The Patriarch's Cathedral, St. Alexander Nevski.
Its memorial, church built by the people of Bulgaria to commemorate and honor the thousands of Russian, Bulgarian, Ukrainian, Moldavian, Finnish, and Romanian soldiers who sacrificed their lives during the liberation of Bulgaria from the Ottomans' rule. in the years 1877 to 78. May their souls rest in eternal peace.